Jazz.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakir. I do vlogs, lifestyle, YouTube videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it's Christmas, so Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas, guys. Happy holidays. So it's Christmas Day. I'm up from about 6. Sorry, before a little bit before 6. I don't remember. Anyways, right now, parents are cooking breakfast plus pizza dinner. That's a Sunday. We'll go to church today. Oh yes, I did my eyebrows. Yeah. I don't know if I can find a foundation. I tried to find one yesterday, but I couldn't find one that fits my color. So I'm gonna know all the foundation parts I go. I might use some of the concealer to hide some of the spots then, you know. Something like that. Anyways, so it's Christmas Day and we're gonna have a Christmas vlog. So hope you guys are ready for that. I'm not gonna see this the day after Christmas. I'll see probably like 2 days after, because the Grand Market video will be going up before this one. And my one room video too, like about 3 days after. Who knows, you know? Yeah. Alright, so let's get on with the day. Alright, so plug out these lights. Yeah, plug out. I'll do a Christmas day. Let me can't stay in. Oh, by the way, guys, did you guys get ready? Hello.
And here our master. It's what the writer of the Hebrews said of our master. For the joy that was set before him, he endured the cross, despising the shame. My friends, this joy is not something you can cultivate. You didn't hear it. This joy we're talking about is not something you and I can cultivate. You cannot make it happen. It is something that is given by God.
Alright guys, so I'm back from church. My actual outfit. so it's not Christmas Day. It's like way past Christmas Day, like probably about 3 days or so after. Anyways, I decided I wanted to show you guys like what I got for Christmas. I also want to show you like what I bought for myself. This Christmas I decided like when we were going to Grand Market, I wasn't going to necessarily buy much. I wanted to buy a gift for each person, like one for my mom, one for my dad, one for my sister, and then something for myself. So I did try and do that. I think I got one for everybody. I don't remember. But I think. Anyways. So pretty much what we mostly bought over the years at Grand Market was like clothes and such like that. But I've stopped buying clothes in stores and on the road for the most part, because them never have size and we just always just not in the mood to go through all of that. So this year pretty much what I went on the road to do, what we did was to just look. I needed a school shoes because guys, I showed you guys how in the room transformation thingy that all my shoes them, especially my heels, done, so I had to throw them out. My school shoes as well, that's my flat shoes, those are actually damaged. So the two I have in there, they're actually damaged, so I pretty much never have no shoes to go work at school, but they can be worn. It's just that they're not good. So I went and searched for some shoes. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you like what I bought for myself and then what I got. Yeah, but I remember everything when I get. I was trying to put everything together, but I remember everything when I get, so we can't find them. I put them up, you know, in their places that they're supposed to be. But yeah, all right, so the first thing I bought for myself, I've always I just love to smell place, just smell nice and all. So I bought one of these. It's a Febreze fabric spray. It's they scent linen and sky. I just love to smell things just nice. So yes, I bought this one to like spray on my cushions, my pillows, my sheet, my mattress, the settee, you know, just around the house on different fabrics. It can be used on sofa, curtains, bed, and even on your clothes. So it's for fabric. So yes, and it smells pretty good. So yeah. Then the next thing in scent that I got for myself, I bought one of these. So it's the Airwick. I had one of these before, one of the large ones, and the plug part is why I tried to get another one. But the thing is, when I came home, I realized it's the same thing. So our plugs here, them go sideways, so I'm gonna have to lean this in order to plug it in. But what I do when I'm ready to plug it in, when I have silly stress that we go through, I take my thingy here, I plug it in, I'm itch it up on the window so it stands, so it kind of give it, you know, just freshen up the room a bit. That's what I do to get this to work. And I bought 2 more refills for it. So I bought the pack, and I think it's also in a linen something, fresh linen thing. I like the smell. I don't like a very sweet smell. I just love the fresh scent, you know. So yes, that's what I bought. I also bought for myself a school shoes. So I wish store, I don't remember where it's store name, but I went into a store. We went into pretty much a lot of stores trying to find shoes for me, because I want to find my shoes. But yes, I bought this shoe. I think this was $1,000 and something. You know, remember. But this was $1,000 something. I don't remember how much for them either. Yeah. So this is the shoes. I pretty much love simple looking shoes, and I have a shoes like this that I bought from Payless that served me pretty much like 4 years, and I wanted to get one more from Payless, but Payless just look like them out of everything when you love. So yeah, I'm never going to Payless. So yes, this is the shoes. It's not gonna probably hold me that long, who knows, because it's cheap, like $1,000 something or $2,000. I mean, I think it passed $2,000. Yeah, for the shoes. So yes, that's my shoe, and that's, I bought those for myself, including like I bought mostly food items this year. So we went to market, we took up some stuff, snacks, juice, all the works, you know, because a girl gotta eat. We know this, yeah. Anyways, so what I got that I can remember, I did show you guys in the room transformation that I got, that my father bought me, the LED light strip thingy. I wanted one, and so I bought one. But what my dad does every year, see, until we take off the exam, then he come at the cashier and say, which one I want to pay for you? So we're just making pay for that. So yeah, that was the one he paid for. So the LED light strips would be from him. So yeah. All right. So the story now. I'm giving out little story time about the LED light strips there. Oh yes, this is what it looks like pretty much. So if you didn't see the room, I'm gonna just insert a video right here. Yeah, so that's what it would have looked like. This is the story time for it. So guys, I put it up the night I got back, so the Christmas Eve night into Christmas morning, because it was like late, so we can't say it's Christmas morning. I got back, I was so excited. I put it up. While I was putting it up, I realized that the tape on it was not very strong, so it wasn't sticking to the wall very well. So every time I put it on, it was dropping down, and I said, all right, let me see if I can hurry up and fix it. I'm gonna fix it and realize, all right, it looked like it has stay. Well, I put some clear tape on like the edges that were turned, so it never lift, because it was lifting at the corners. So I went to bed, and it looks like in the middle of the night, I don't know what happened, but it looked like in the middle of the night it fell and it stuck to my sheets. So it stuck to my sheet. So when I got up to use the restroom, I felt something on me. I was like, oh my god, what was this? Because I'm afraid of spider. I've been noticing them. One time I found one on my bed, and I know they will come on my bed. So I got up so fast, and I threw off the sheet, and I get up and like, when I look, guys, the thing was on my bed and it was torn. I was so sad, I wanted to cry. I literally start crying. I never fully cry, but yeah, we start crying. Because I was like, we just get it, and not even one day yet, and it just mash up. But then I went online and I found out you can cut it. And the thing why I was so angry, why I was so sad, is that it was cut at a point where the longer part was the part that would not be working. So one little piece was left to work. So apparently you can cut it, and you can buy connectors, and you can connect so it can work again. So I'm gonna try that. Hopefully it works. So I have it over there right now in that little bag over there. Yeah, just have it over there stashed away for now, and say, soon fate. But anyways, enough of that story time, because if you think about it, I got stress. Anyways, so yes, you guys remember, don't have no heels. So I went down to Trelawney, as you guys will see in like vlogs. Yeah, anyways, I went to visit family. So yes, I got some shoes. So my aunt gave me some shoes that she got. So this is one of them. This is a black heels. So yes, so this is like to wear on like pretty much like everyday church wear. So I have two more of these inside of my in there. But the thing is, I hardly wear heels unless it's like special occasion. But I'm gonna start wearing my heels because I got them. I don't want them for my shop. I'm gonna wear them. So yes, this is one. And then the next one is this gold heels, which I'm happy for, because this matches the dress I'm planning on wearing on Christmas Eve on New Year's Sunday. So it can be worn with my dress, and I never get no heels when I went looking the other day. So yeah, I kind of picky when it come on to heels, because I love strap up heels, and like heels like these, well, not necessarily the point ones. So the point ones are not my favorite because me don't bought me too, but it's cute, But I love heels like these. I love the heels that have the like the platform things on it. So yes, those are the kind of heels I like. So we're kind of picky when it comes to buying heels. Yeah. So yes, I want a black heels or black heels like this. I'm gonna still go hunting. I think I might just go on Shein, guys. Shein is the store to go right now for me. Anyway, so this is the heels. It's a gold heel. So yes, I'm glad when we get to use this house. So try it on the same time. Cause me and say, and then mommy go mention say it actually match my clothes. Even gladder. So yes, the next thing that I can remember that I got is this little teddy bear. I think I showed you guys, I think in the previous vlog. I'm not sure, I don't remember. But anyways, my sister bought me this. She was looking for a teddy bear. No, she was looking for a gift, and she passed this. And she said, no, she not actually. She passed a unicorn, and she took it up and said, "Don't even look at your gift." And then we say, when we look down in the box, she see the yellow peep out. She, okay, never mind. And she grab up the yellow. So yes, this is my teddy bear. It's a unicorn, and it's so cute. And look at that face. Look at it. Look at it, cute. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, I love yellow. So yes. So yes, this is what I got. This is a cute little unicorn, which I just laid on my bed because even though it's Christmas and it's red and green, who cares? The yellow has to come in. So alright guys, this is gonna be the end of my vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.